Hi guys, welcome to the XML chapter. In this first video, I'm going to give you just a little introduction to XML, and we'll start creating our first XML file. Now, XML stands for Extensible Markup Language, as you can see here. Basically, you can think of XML as the language that we use to transport and store data. I'm going to show you throughout the course how you can transport data from one place to another and how to store that data. And we're going to also use RSS feeds. I'm going to show you how through XML we can use or grab information or content from a news feed from a website, for example from CNN, and then post those RSS feeds live into our website. Okay, so every time a website throws a new XML content or RSS feeds, we will grab those automatically and it will be stored in our website. I'm going to show you all that throughout the course. Now, the main thing you should know by now is that XML will grab or will take care of the content, okay, to transport the content from one place to another and store the content as well. I'm going to show you now how to create your first XML file. Let's open Notepad. Now, the first thing you should type on your XML file is the XML version. So we type the question mark symbol, XML version equals to 1.0. Okay, that's the version you should use. And let's save the file. We always save the file, XML files, as .xml. Okay. That's another thing you should remember. So let's type test.xml. Okay. Now in XML, one of the differences between XML and XHTML is that XHTML has their own tags. So we have title, head, body, HTML tag. In XML, we can create our own tags. Okay, so I'm going to create a new tag called album, and we have to close it here. This is why XML is so simple, because we can create our own version of tags or our own tags. And basically, I'm going to create an album tags, and inside the album tags, I'm going to type a few other tags to store information about the album. So I'm going to type artist, close artist. Here I can type name of the album, name, and year. Okay. And here, let's type Bob Marley, name Exodus, name of the album, the year 1999, I think. Now, if you want more albums, we can still type the same text. Album. And here, pretty much the same thing. Let's grab this, copy, paste it here. Let's change this. Type, for example, Metallica. Here, the black album, and I think it was 91. Let me just save this, and that's it. Basically, we have an XML file with two albums. We have Bob Marley album, Metallica album, And this is just for you to have an idea what we can do with an XML file, what type of data we can store that in that file. And you can see that we use or create our own tags, and then we can put inside the parent tag, we can type a few more tags with more information, and basically this is it. This is what you should know for now, and in the next video we will learn a few other things. Okay. If you have any questions, just send me a message or post your questions in the comment section. Bye. Just another thing that I forgot to mention, and it's very important, make sure you always have the declaration of XML, this one here, at the first line of your XML file. Okay, otherwise if you put it here in the second line, it will give you an error. Okay, make sure you always have the XML declaration of the version in the top or in the first line of your XML file. Okay guys, so that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.